So yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. Today I'm on the way to Las Palmas to change over the front pads, well, change all the pads on this car. I've scrubbed the front ones already. The back ones are still pretty new, but because I'm adding Performance EBC Red ceramic, I thought I'd change them all at the same time. Whilst I'm up there, I mean, the guys at Estican, they give you some fantastic after service. You know, I called Oliver, I said, listen mate, I need my brakes changing. How much are you gonna charge me? He said, just order the brakes and come up, we'll look after you. So, whilst I'm there, I'm gonna take a look at a Porsche Cayenne. It's 2013 in black. I don't know, I'm thinking of probably trying to change over now. I mean, I've done the little boy race a bit with this. It's really nice. Fantastic daily. But it is going to get me some points on my license because I cannot stop but booting this car, mate. This car is just silly. So I think it's time to probably grow up a little bit now. Get myself a little 4x4. I do have a little 4-year-old boy. It just gives me more room in the car. So let's have a look. There is a few things I'm looking at. I'm looking at the SQ5s. I love them. But the older version, not the new one. I don't like the way they've taken away the exhaust pipes. But yeah, let's go up and have a look, see what goes on, and let's see what the Cayenne's like.
A little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker.
This is a 2013 Porsche Cayenne. It's a 3-litre turbo, 250 brake horse, or thereabouts. It's a nice looking car. Really luxurious. I think we're all locked out here. Let's have a look, probably have to go through the driver's side. Very nice looking car. Yeah guys, it's a really nice place to be. Now I don't know if it's time for a change with the boy Racer Flex, or if I could use one of these for a daily driver. Could I be in a 4x4 that's supposed to have enough power to sit with the likes of the RS? I don't know. So I've come to a little bit of rain. I'm impressed with the car. The car's actually nice. I'll be doing a bit of a slope there. Let's see how we get on. But no, so far I'm impressed with the car. Very lovely car. Coming down a bit heavy here. Oof. Coming down a bit heavy that was. Woo! Took a bit of a soak in there, you know what I mean guys? Never mind. What it's all about when we're doing this. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with the car. I love the roof. There we go with a little curtain going across there now. I'm looking at what this would be like as a daily driver, you know, what would it do running wise, cost wise? I mean, the RS3 is expensive. It's an expensive toy to have. It really is. My job involves a lot of motorway work, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm finding myself putting a little bit too much gasoline in, which I don't think I should be anymore. You know, other things to do with that money. But this one here so far, I'm liking it. Porsche Cayenne, huh? Porsche Cayenne. So yeah, guys, what do I think? I think it's a solid little car, this, to be honest with you. You know, it's very practical. I mean, the RS3 is it's on another level, mate. It really is. But realistically, running cost is very expensive. I mean, with that one there, you can't help it. You just cannot help but drive like a lunatic, to be honest. Whereas this one here is a bit more mature, a bit more grown up. It's got a lot of road presence as well. You know, and I'm finding it really, really nice, to be honest with you. Like I say, it's a few years older, 2 years at that. It's got a little bit more mileage on it, but not too much. But I mean, it's a Porsche, you know. For what I need is nice, and the main thing about it is the thing is it's diesel. You know, so the amount of kilometers that I'm gonna get in day-to-day use is gonna be a damn sight. I mean, look, I'm on half a tank, and I've still got more kilometers in it than I will get in the RS3. I do like it. Very nice car. You know, you've not got that surge of power when you put your foot down from the kick down. But do I need it every day? Maybe not. Maybe it might be a good idea to save my license. Because with the RS, I really push it to the max sometimes. This one, got plenty of grunt. Picks up nicely. It's really nice, actually. Let's go back and see if I can probably crack a deal with this one. Guys, you know, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? I think it's a really good car, to be fair. I was never really wanting to be a Porsche dude, you know what I mean? But after driving it, it feels actually alright. It feels a bit more solid than the Range Rover Evoque. Much more potential. The level of luxury is, well, it's a Porsche. So I'm not losing out on the luxury, really. And it really does feel good. Let me know in the comments down below. What would you guys go for? Would it be the RS3? Or would you be more interested in the more grown-up Porsche Cayenne? Interesting. I liked it. It's a nice car, man. It really is. But guys, until the next time, you know how we do this here. Like, subscribe, and keep it real.